It's August 1st, 2023. I'm Stuart Stotts, song premiere on Tuesday. Today's song is about walking. I have a long history of walking distances, and there's a whole tradition of it. But I want to dedicate this song to my friend Peg, who recently completed the 88 Temple pilgrimage in Japan, 2.5 months of walking. And I had a lovely conversation with her about a month ago. And thank you very much for being here, and know that walking is always something that's there for you, for most of us anyway. I'm walking this road for freedom. I'm walking this road for peace. Walking this road for the suffering souls that we may find release. Walking for my family. I am walking for my friends. I'm walking on the road that never ends. There's a sign I have read of the way up ahead and the way the path led me. Well, I've broken bread with the friends I have fed and the friends who have fed me. I'm walking this road for freedom, walking this road for peace, walking this road for the suffering souls that we may find release. Walking for my family, I am walking for my friends. I'm walking on the road that never ends. There are dreams I mislaid, there's a price I have paid, and a price the world paid me. I have walked in the shade with the friends I have made and the friends who have made me. You can learn and teach, you can listen and talk, but don't reach. Just walk, 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 walking this road for freedom, walking this road for peace, walking this road for the suffering souls that we may find release. Walking for my family, walking for my friends. I'm walking on the road that never ends. Thank you very much for being here.